If you know me and you know my history at NCI, you know that there's one thing I hate more than anything in this world, and that's doing this, creating content. And so I feel stuck all the time. I can't think of great subjects. I can't think of things that I think would be helpful to you. And when I hit those roadblocks, here's the two things that I do. Number one, I do what Russell Brunson taught us, which is funnel him. I look at what other creators are creating. I look at things that are popular. I find trending topics, and I make content around those. Why? Well, if our audience is already consuming them, why wouldn't I want to share my opinions on those things? Number two, I think about what is my prospect Googling right now? Meaning if I can get myself into their headspace and I know they have a problem and I know they're seeking a solution, I want to know what are the words that they are using to seek that solution. Because if I can match my content up with those words and they do happen to Google those things, all of a sudden my content is not just showing up on social media, it's showing up in their Google search, and I'm exponentially more likely to be consumed by them. So if you're like me and you don't like creating content, or you're just somebody that lacks creativity, try those two things. I hope it helps.